Well, I'm sorry that I had to move here. My old neighborhood was great. Huh? Yeah, well, it's real funny, not even a month ago, before you got caught using your little toy. Yeah? On your own animals.
No. This would come to your own house. Don't need to call the Humane Society.
Yeah.
I did.
I did that too.
And he told me to call down down there.
Commander who?
Use it. He also told me what else I could do.
Commander who?
Commander.
Oh, you don't know what one you talked to?
Commander.
There's more than one commander.
And he said, you got things right. He laughed.
He laughed, did he?
He told me something else I could do.
Oh, did he? What's that? What's that, Carol?
On my own property.
And my dogs are on theirs.
I'm on my own property. I do not have to put up a fence.
As long as I'm on my own property, my dogs can bark. They don't bark for hours at a time like you say they do.
Bark in the air like you're
Oh, do they? That's funny. I've got mega tapes.
got it.
Just the German Shepherd, huh?
Dumb.
No, she isn't dumb. She don't like you because of you spraying her with hoses and doing all kinds of other things to my dogs. You have too, Carol. Remember, I caught you when I first moved in here when your husband was building his thing back there. The dogs didn't bark until they seen you. Listen to the dog barking, and it's not even mine. Here's my yard, people. Look. No dogs. The noise is coming from down there. Hear it? I might take a walk out my back fence so you can hear that dog. I'll go find it. Hold on one moment, I shall return. See? But my dog gets accused of this. Just so you know. It's not always the neighbor dog. This is 2 doors down from my house. You hear it? I hope you can hear this. There's your dogs that are barking. 2 doors down. There she goes back to the fence. And she should be coming. Now, wouldn't most dogs be barking like, running like that? Excited like that because something's coming? It's mailman time. I just brought my shepherd out. 2nd time of the day. And here's Miss Carol. In her window. And there's the shepherd that she don't like. And as you see, she's not doing anything. Come on, Tosh. Come out here and go potty. You're okay. You can go potty. Yes, you can. It's pretty sad that I have to do this every time I let my dog out. No, Tasha. You can go potty. Go outside and go potty. Go on. I don't know if you can see her, but she's standing there holding the sonic device for me right now in the window. It's that blue little device. Oh, she must be done now. And if you don't call this harassment, I don't know what you call it. Every time I let my animals in their private yard, they have to be harassed by the person behind this window. I am being harassed. My animals are. And there is nothing anyone will do about it. So, I just want it to be known. People, beware of your neighbor.